Stop by and take a look at the 2016 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, universal garage door opener, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-owned Vehicle program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.